Bro, so I'm like really tense. I want to become a certified Scrum Master, but I don't even know what's the eligibility criteria for that. Or how many years of work experience do I need before I'll be eligible to write the exam? Or how long does it take to become a certified Scrum Master? And is the Scrum Master certification exam hard to crack? Or is it even worth it? How much does it even cost?
Hey, easy, calm down. I'm going to give you all the answers to your questions in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Let me also tell you how I became a certified Scrum Master over the weekend and also give you a step-by-step guide on how you can do the same.
Yes!
If you're interested in pursuing a career in Agile project management, then becoming a Scrum Master is a great place to start. Certified Scrum Master is a credential provided by Scrum Alliance, which is a non-profit organization that provides guidance on Agile practices, principles, and values. You can look it up later to get more information on it. I'll be providing a link down in the description below. The good news is you don't need any prior experience to become a Certified Scrum Master, or a CSM as we call it in short. I was still a full-stack web developer when I obtained this certification. So all you need is a strong foundation of the Scrum framework and how it works. This includes understanding the roles, events, and artifacts that make up Scrum, and I'll also tell you how you can get this understanding and build a strong foundation in Scrum. Now for the eligibility criteria, well again, there is none. Since there are no specific eligibility criteria for CSM certification, here's how you can get one in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to attend a 2-day or about 14 to 16 hours of an online or a live in-person Certified Scrum Master course, which should be taught by a certified Scrum trainer. I completed this training over the weekend by just dedicating 8 hours per day on a Saturday and a Sunday. And this is the course where you're going to get the solid understanding of the Scrum framework, and you will also be trained on how to become a successful Scrum Master. And again, since it's a mandatory course, there is no escaping it. You need to complete it as a prerequisite in order to be eligible to get the CSM certification. Once you complete the course, step number 2 will be to clear the online CSM exam. This is a 60-minute exam where you will have 50 questions to answer. All the questions are MCQ types or multiple choice questions, where you will be provided with multiple options and you will need to select one or sometimes perhaps more than one correct answers. Now the passing score is 74%. So that means you need to answer at least 37 out of these 50 questions correctly in this 1 hour time limit to pass the exam and get the certification. Once you pass the exam, the final step will be to celebrate. Woohoo! You did it! And also to collect your CSM certificate online. Now from my experience, CSM is a fairly easy exam to pass. That's the reason you will see a lot of certified Scrum trainers or these training institutes will guarantee a pass rate or the first time pass rate of 98%. So if you do the required 2-day course diligently, you should be good for the exam. Honestly, I did not study anything else other than what was covered in my course, and I appeared for the CSM exam just 2 hours later my course was finished. So for me, I started my preparation on a Saturday with the start of the course, and by Sunday evening, I was a certified Scrum Master. True story. Finally, let's talk about the part that everyone's eager for. The price for the CSM certification and the course can range anywhere between $300 to $400 up to $2,000. This includes the CSM exam fee, and sometimes up to 2 attempts are included. Now the price depends on a lot of different factors, including of course the country you're taking the certification course and exam in. Okay, so that was for the price, but is it even worth it? This certification is totally worth it if you are planning to or are already working for a company that already uses Scrum principles, or even if they're planning to move towards a more Agile way of doing things and adopting the Scrum framework in the coming future. In this case, this certification will give you an edge, this advantage over the other applicants or even the existing employees of the company, as this shows that you have a thorough understanding of Scrum principles and methodologies. Also, if you want to start your career as an Agile project manager, getting this certification will be a good investment in yourself. This, by the way, was the case with me, and I've already talked about it in a separate video of its own where I discussed how I transition into a more project management role from being a full stack web developer. So I believe that if you want to grow at your tech job and you don't want to stay a developer all your life, I obtained the CSM certification when I saw this gap in the company that I worked for at the time, when they tried to move or transition to a more Agile way as opposed to the traditional waterfall technique they were using before, but they were struggling with it as nobody had the knowledge required for this transition or this move towards Agile, let alone the Scrum framework. So I stepped up, got certified, and took this opportunity to apply my newfound skills in a real-world setting. And that's how I got promoted to become the youngest project manager in the company. Again, True story. Now, enough about me. I hope this story gave you the teeny tiny bit motivation you needed to go and achieve your dream, provided that your dream was to become a certified Scrum Master. And hopefully now you know everything you needed to know to get started. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Oh my god, thank you. I'm gonna subscribe right away.